Hi guys, Jasmine here, and today we're gonna open a 20-pack of Shopkins, and it's season 6. I'm so excited about today, and there's 2 right here. You can see that there's a lemon and there's an apple. They are so cute. And also we have the Shopkins in the back that we can get. 1, 2. One, two, three. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now we're gonna open it. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Hi, and we're gonna say the Shopkins names. So this one is Shelly Egg, and then the next one is Melissa Milk, and the next one is Toast Tea Warm, and the next one, oops, you're supposed to see its face. Got a little face right there. And next, we have Polly Partially. And then next, we have Runny Honey. Next, we have the Pippa Lemon. And then next, we have Charlie Cheese. And then next, we have this one is named Choc Chips. This one is named Casser Sugar. And then next we have Adam Apple. And then next we have, let's see, Terry Onion. Next we have Parmesan Pete. Next we have mine. Button Mushroom. And next we have Sam Soy. And then next we have Bethany Broccoli. And then now Jasmine Rice. Jasmine's my name. And next we have Little Chalk Bottle. Next we have Berry Tubes. And I think that's all their names. And then now we are going to open the surprise blind bags that are in here. These are hard to open. sorry, it's so hard. Now, put them over there. And then now we're going to open blind bags. I think we're going to get the same ones. We might not. What do you think we're going to get? Oh my gosh, it's a pancake. And it had a little something on the top of it. See? It has a little bitty face, just like this one. Just like that one down there. They both have little faces on the bottom. Now, we're going to open this one. It's another rare. So these two are rare. I think these are ultra rare. But they both have something on the top of it. They're the same. Let me see what their names are. Let me see if I can find them on here. Oh, it is. This one is Winona, waffles, and then next of the other sweet we have there it is. It's sweet honey. And they are so cute. And then now we can try to put them in there. And try this one. I'm going to put both of my ultra rares in there. And then to nip it. Maybe they're too big. They don't fit in there. So these are my favorite ones. It is the apple. And that one, jasmine rice, because Jasmine's my name. And I also like the broccoli. And I also like the egg. That one. And, oh, whoops, it fell. And that one. Those are my favorite ones. I like Melissa Milk a little bit, so I'll put her as at the middle. Well, guys, I think that's all at the end of the video. Remember to give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you for